Hello, welcome to the channel. It is the last day of April and Cala Millor is open. Go have a look and see what roadworks have been done, all ready for the 1st of May tomorrow, but it's looking all done to me. Very blustery day, but this is Cala Millor Shopping Street on the 1st of May. And yes, there's a few things still to do, but not a lot. Lighting required, electrical work. But it's looking good. They said it'd be finished on the 1st of May. The 1st of May is tomorrow. It's a bank holiday, so this is basically how it's going to be on the 1st of May tomorrow. Been no work done at more than this, but I'd say there's only a couple of days, maybe weeks more work to do down here. So all done. To be honest, it's not looking much better than it was before though. I don't know where all the money's gone. The road paving is a bit different. There's the odd statue and I don't know what that is. And basically it's the same all the way down. I could keep walking all the way to the end, but it's all the same. The pagodas are up. Just waiting for, I presume that's the lighting. That's all it's waiting for. But yeah, it's all open, it's all ready, and you can all come and enjoy your holidays here. I just hope this wind calms down and the sun comes out from the clouds again for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, it really helps us. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.